Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain about the features of Python and what is variables and rules to define those variables. First I will explain about the features of Python. It is interpreted and high-level programming language. Interpreted means it will give line-by-line execution. And codings of Python human can easily understand input and output both. So we will call it as high level programming language. It is dynamically typed language because there is no much rules to write the syntax. If we want to execute something, we can directly write the syntax and execute the solution. And it is a case sensitive. Now I will explain about the variables in Python. It is a reserved memory location or containers to store data. It will give data to the computer for processing. There are some rules to define those variables. First rule is variable names can only have alphabets, numbers and underscore. For example, apart from alphabets, numbers and underscore, we cannot use any other special characters. I'll show you example here. Here I am using alphabets and some numbers, and apart from underscore I'm using and special characters is equal to I'm providing some value as 2. If I execute now, it will show error. Here we can able to see there is a name error since apart from underscore we cannot use any other special characters. If we use underscore here, it will execute the results dh4 underscore. If we execute, we are getting output as 2. And second rule is variable names can only start with alphabet and numbers. For example, if we start variables with numbers, it will show error. I'll show example here. 4dh is equal to 4. It will show error. So if we delete this number, it will accept the value. Now if we execute dh, we are getting output as 4. And the third rule is variable names cannot start with any numbers. I have shown example here. And variable names are case sensitive. Now we are defining variable as g and providing value as 4. Once we execute, now if we execute with capital G, it will show error. G is not defined. If we execute with a small g, it will show the results. Here we can able to see the result as 4. That's all with this today's session. Thank you guys. Hope this video will be useful for your reference.